Hello, hello! Good morning, good morning, good morning Finland! Good evening Philippines! Welcome to our sewing tutorial for beginner! Okay, today po, the terno t-shirt and short is very famous in Philippines. So, I decided to show you the easy way to do it in my own style. Okay? So, please grab your t-shirt. This is mine and we will use this as a pattern. And grab your short. This is a zipperized short but we will do the garterized short. So, we need of course garter or elastic and scissor and your measurement and our sewing and thread and of course our fabric. If you have those fabric like in Philippines is a dye fabric, you can use that one because that's our project for today, but I don't have those fabrics, so I will use this is a cotton, spandex cotton and stripe, so I will use this for myself. So before we start, please, if you are new to my channel, my name is Edna Lopez. Subscribe and hit the bell button para po ma-notify kayo sa ating mga videos na gagawin at sa mga po nag-subscribe. Thank you so much po and spread the love, stay home, keep safe. Okay, let's start now our project. Fold your fabric in two. Put the shorts on top of the fabric. And remember to put allowance. And also on top of your shorts because we will use that to fold it to put our garter or elastic. I already cut one side. So remember guys, the short front is a bit higher than the back short. I always need to be cut lower. The back side and the front is a bit higher. Now open your fabric and then put right side together. Stitch both sides. If you don't have the serger or edging, you can just use zigzag stitch. So this part, both sides. Fold the top of shorts, but leave the hole so we can put elastic later. The bottom part folded 3 times and stitch all the way both sides. We almost finished to our shorts. And I leave the hole in there for our elastic later. we put that on the side and we work to our t-shirts. So fold your t-shirt, one fold, then another fold, so we can get both back and part of the t-shirts. So we trace, or I trace that t-shirt. I cut all the way. I folded the lower part because I don't want my t-shirt a bit longer, so I want short there. But if you want longer, then it's up to you. Please put allowance. Don't forget the allowance, especially in the armhole if you're using this style. Take one side of one part of the t-shirt and then cut a little bit deeper for our neckline. Then I cut long stripe fabric and then fold and then stitch all the way. So we can use that as a bias for our neckline. I didn't use the bias because the fabric is so soft, so it's easy to move around. But if your fabric is a little bit thicker, I suggest the cut bias style. First, I stitch the long stripe fabric so it doesn't move when I attach to the neckline and to the armhole. Like I said, if your fabric is a little bit thicker, just use a bias style. Bias style is a little bit easier to move around where you going when you attach to the neckline or armhole. Now I already attached them together. Sorry guys, I did not show you how to do it, but I'm sure if you've been sewing with me, then you know how to attach together. We finish our neckline. So we attach both shoulder. I use first straight stitch and then do the edging. I made a mistake that I believe my neckline is a bit shorter or a bit small. So don't panic. I will show you how to fix it later. So when you make a mistake, don't panic. We will do something about that. I'm not gonna fix it alone. We will fix it together. So now this is my armhole. Now stitch all the way both sides to the t-shirt, and then on the bottom part you fold 3 times and then fold it. Now here's our t-shirt. It's almost done. Look neat, but like I said, I have problem in the neckline. So what we're gonna do is cut in the middle like a style, or if you want to, you can cut also in the back, but mine, I will cut in the front. You do this only when you make a mistake or when you want to make style. So if you cut your neckline short or it doesn't go through to your head, don't panic. You can always do something about it. So I cut my neckline in the middle and then make a small stripe like I did in the armhole. So 2 pieces folded. But first, sew the edge inside and then fold. And then it stitch the side so it doesn't move when we attach to the fabric. What happened? I already attached the 2 stripe and put this part inside like what I did, and then stitch close to that one to make a clean neckline. Now we will put garter to our shorts. Voila! Here's our t-shirt. I hope you guys enjoy our informal sewing tutorial for beginner. So look at my neckline. Like I said, don't panic. When you make a mistake, we always do something about it. And stay safe and bye. Thank you for watching.